नहीं, come to the point. She's right. She's right.
Reuse this polythene.
Can you reuse?
Can
you reuse?
लेकिन ये साला कर क्या रहा है यहाँ पे?
Just this him. Are you earning from polythene? क्या आप polythene से कमा रहे हैं?
नहीं
नहीं. Yes.
अंकल आप पन्नी बेच के पैसे कमाते हैं?
Yes! So this is the beauty. As you can see that, this person is taking all the polythenes. He will be selling somewhere, right? So we also need to be responsible like this. Polythene is good. But we the people, polythene is good, right?
Yes, sir. Polythene is good. No, sir. Polythene he is earning.
He is earning. Yeah. Of course, this uncle is earning. What is this? What is this? Hold this, please. This is kurkura, right? Give me. Uncle.
because this uncle
Thank you, uncle. I just want to cover this. You can see. Yes.
Look.
Whose
Look
mistake
at
is
this. Look at this. We throw and municipal corporation takes time of recycling.
Oh my God.
This is you are doing. You are doing. This is we are not doing. You are responsible. We are not doing. You are doing.
Ma'am, this is polluting. This is
we
the.
have to aware people.
We have to. You have to run this. You have to run this.
Sir, take it smell. Take it smell. It's a very dirty smell. Take it smell.
Cameraman focus. Cameraman focus.
because it is not listen
Just this is the damaging our environment, sir. This is depleting our ozone layer, sir. It is damaging our ecosystem.
Polythene should be banned. Polythene should be banned.
Should not be banned because of polythene. People are earning money because of polythene. People are earning money. You can see there because of polythene. People are earning money.
Ma'am, I want to ask you, as they are saying that polythene should not be banned, what do you want to say that? Already government has banned, but still people are not accepting that. What do you want to say?
Polythene should not be banned because we can reuse, we can make lots of things with the polythene. Like
Alright.
we can make rug, we can make doormats.
This point goes, please take them keen. Yes, she's right.
Reuse this polythene.
Can you reuse?
Can you reuse?
Can you reuse it?
I can reuse it. Wait.
Ma'am, you're throwing here. You're throwing here.
This is the problem. This is the problem of this kind of citizen.
because you are throwing there
Because this is the problem of this kind of citizen. They are easily throwing it.
In fact, don't stand at the road. Don't stand at the road. Please come here. You can reuse it. Of course. How? Wait, guys. Listen to her carefully.
We can make it anything like we can make some decorative item also. We can.
Of course, yes. Why not?
We can make doormat.
Yes, we can make something. We can make.
decorative item. It doesn't mean it doesn't affect the.
Of course, he's right. Take them keen. Yes, he's right. Of course, he's right.
Look at the picture. The doormat made from plastic.
Wow. The point is that we should not come to the point. Listen to me. The point is that we have other alternatives as well. Why are we throwing? After using, we can reuse it. Yes, sir.
Sir, there is a substitute of polythene, but that is a paper bag. A paper bag comes from the cutting trees, and after the cutting the trees, the environment get defect.
You can use cloth bags, jute bags, and nylon bags, and silicone bags.
Why are you using polythene?
Clothes.
Sir, what's your name? What's your name, sir? What's your name?
go that shop
What's your name?
and ask him.
Excuse me. What's your name?
My name is Ash Sharma.
Where are you from?
I am from Kanpur.
Okay, so why are you saying the polythene should be banned?
Polything should not be banned.
Should not be
should
banned.
not be banned.
Why?
But it use should be banned.
Youth should be.
Yeah, because
Youth? You are banning youth? Oh my God!
He's accepting, sir.
Look! Wait! See, exactly. Polythene should not be banned, but we should use this dustbin so that we can exactly. What do you want to say?
Sir, I want to say we use this dustbin. We don't ban the polythene.
We should use dustbin so that, of course, yes.
अंकल आप पन्नी बेच के पैसे कमाते हैं?
Yes, uncle, हाथ मिलाइए, खाना खाइए, दाना खाइए, दाना लीजिए, दाना.
Sir, ask him
Yes.
where will he throw this
Yes.
garbage?
Sir, he is earning from the polythene.
Sir,
Yes, the polythene should not be banned.
Not even. And governments are also earning from the polythene.
Some people are trying to say that we should not ban the polythene because so many people are earning money. We have one example. He has told.
Please tell me one thing, sir. If we are using the polythene, after that we will throw outside. So some.
So whose problem is this?
This is the citizen. This kind of.
Please one thing. Please tell me one thing. If you will use polythene after using, what you will do?
What will you do?
Yes, we can reuse. We will reuse that.
How can you reuse that? I'm not able to use it.
We can purchase something in polythene. After that, we can wash, and after that, whenever we go, then we can reuse that polythene.
Ma'am, come here. Ma'am, is this way? Come here. Is this way? Is this way?
This is not our fault. This is your fault.
My fault. Excuse me.
This is not our fault. Because you are using. This is your fault, not our fault. Do you know we are using polythene after that we reuse? No, we can.
It is biodegradable.
It is a
It's-
biodegradable.
But what about this? What about this? It is non-biodegradable. Yes.
It is a non-biodegradable and paper decomposed. Biodegradable.
Yes, it is non. Where have they run away? Where are you now? You have no answer? Yes. You have no answer?
Sir, it is happened because of illiterate people. The literate
So many things. You cannot cover the.
It has happened to you because you are
Sir, you cannot cover the bike.
Don't change the topic. Don't change the topic. Topic is polythene. Topic is polythene.
Come
not
here, please,
plastic.
everybody. Come, let's cover that area. He also has covered because of polythene. Come here, hurry up.
He is also using silicone polythene.
Yes.
Silicone polythene. This is a safe for our health. This is a safe for our health, sir. And this is a harmful for ourselves. This kind of
But
polythene.
when he packs anything, you can see. He
not
packs
aware.
in the polythene.
Sir, he is not aware.
Polythene is harmful for our health, so we can carry in
Yes.
hand. This is
Polythene is helpful for us. That's why we are doing business because of polythene. Because of
But you can't harm people because of benefit. Because of benefit, you're harming people.
We should need to try his man because he is not aware.
Sir, please tell me. Please.
The point. Wait. Don't shout here. The point is that. Excuse me.
Please tell me, sir.
The point is that. Listen to me. Hello. The point is that because of polythene, some people are able to survive, and you're banning that. You're banning that.
Please tell. What about this chutney?
Yes, sir.
Sir, please tell me one thing. How many people survive by this selling panni? Only 1 crore, 2 crore. But in India, population 140 crore. So how can assume this your health? Buy this polythene. Only 140 crore people affected. But only 2 crore people. Yeah, only 2 crore people survive by this polythene. So please tell me one thing.
the 2 crore people are.
Let me go. Excuse me. Wait. आपकी स्वयं राय क्या है?
Sir, please.
पॉलीथीन तो बंद ही हो जाना चाहिए
Polythene. अगर
Not earning from polythene.
Wait.
You can ask him.
But you come here.
Yes, sir.
If the polythene is banned, whatever he packs,
Yes, sir.
it will become expensive, right? And if it becomes expensive, how can people afford?
There are lots of alternative are also used.
But other polythene reusable, durable, long lasting and strong.
You're talking about what we're talking this one. The price of this, what does he make? Biryani price will increase, man. Why are you not getting the point?
Yes.
What is the price? Biryani की क्या price है?
बिरयानी के 30 है
30 रुपया. After this polythene, it will become 100 rupees. Will you give it?
Please tell me one thing. Listen, before 20 years before, every people are using handbag, okay, made by the cloth. So after that we can use.
Thela should be banned. No, wait. No.
So what about him?
What about his rosy and roti, guys? What about his survival? You guys are banning that? My question is that, please.
Just ask him, are you earning from polythene? क्या polythene से कमा रहे हैं?
नहीं
That is the main reason.
Okay.
Help of polythene, they are earning money because of help of polythene, sir. That is why he's packing this thing.
Polythene. He don't care.
If we don't pack, this can get destroyed as well.
Yes, sir, of course.
And this person is able to survive because of selling this, and you're banning that?
Yes, sir.
So please tell me one thing, uncle. Please एक बात बताइए, अगर आपको इसको नहीं बेचेंगे, उसकी जगह आप कुछ और बेचोगे, तो क्या नहीं होगा आपका सर्वाइव? विदाउट इस कुरकुरे, अगर आप इसको नहीं बेचोगे उसकी जगह कुछ और इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे,
This is also.
करोगे?
किसमें पैक होगा? किसमें पैक होगा?
अगर इसको
किसमें पैक होगा?
Sir, this masala is also packed in aluminium paper.
Aluminium foam, sir.
ये सब तो पन्नी ही है. The question is that किसमें पैक होगा? All items सब पन्नी ही है. बिना पन्नी के The question is that किसमें पैक होगा? Question is that किसमें पैक होगा?
As you can see, there is a truck, and there are so many bottles.
Plastic.
There are so many bottles
Wrapped by
wrapped by polythene. You can give me one alternative.
Don't need to polythene. We can use rope.
Rope, yes.
Rope is
We can.
You are using rope.
Rope use jute. Rope is made by jute.
Of course. इसकी लेंथ 4 या 5 सेंटीमीटर. After that we can easily wrap.
The point is that you are using in that bottle to wrap. She is saying that we can use rope.
Don't need to use polythene.
If we use rope, after getting bottle down, it will break.
No, sir. It will break down tightly. They cannot.
No, it's not about bottle. We carry so many things wrapping by polythene.
Yes, sir.
Let's talk about it. Yes, Hira, what do you want to say? Yes.
How
what?
can we pack this?
How can we pack this? Yes. Dhanashri. How can we pack chips?
No substitute for packing this.
Yes.
Aluminium wrap.
Aluminium. 2 rupees. 2 rupees by aluminium. One chips price. Piyush, come here. Piyush, come here.
What are you talking?
The question is that how can we pack this? How can we?
I am supporting that
Polythene should be banned.
should not be banned.
Should not be banned. So,
Sir, there is no substitute for packing this because that is 5 rupees. 5 rupees kurkure, and if it's packed,
if we pack by paper, one, I think
it will cost at 10 rupees.
Which is being nitrogen gas, which is in this, which is protecting it, will come out if we pack it in paper bag. It will come out and the thing in this rotten will rot.
understood. Let me talk. The camera person, come here.
Animal die, sir, because of this environment.
And Naim, you are saying that it should not be banned. Why?
Should be banned, sir.
What is the reason
Because
behind
of this, according to survey, we are using the per year 1 trillion, and after using this plastic polythene, we are throwing the sea.
So it's not a problem of polythenes. Look at this, bhaiya. This bhaiya is taking care of us, right? He is taking this all the polythenes and he will throw somewhere, and we can recycle as well.
Sir,
One day
ask
we will
him.
throw, sir.
And every day he comes, man. Every day he comes.
Every day he comes.
Government takes more time for recycling.
Okay.
And
Ma'am, who is government? You are the government, man.
No,
you
no.
need to take your individual step.
Yes.
Why are you waiting for the government?
Because
Except this thing, they can do like they can invest those person for the any other thing, like not for just for the recycling. If they are just wasting money for the recycling, this they can the same money they can invest any other place, any other way. But they're just wasting money for the recycling.
The point is that, like, she's saying the government is taking time. Ma'am, don't wait for the government. You are the responsible. You should take care of it.
yes, we throw on specific place.
We should.
We should on specific place, but before recycling during rainy season they flood everywhere, and that's why
Come here, please. Oh, that's a problematic situation. We melt, we melt this. We burn the polythene and we just make
the brick.
we were on the road. The damar is made of
Polythene.
Of course. And you're banning the polythene. If you ban the polythene, how can you make, expressway? How can we make, kind of highways? How can we make these bricks? Tell me. You have no answer.
How can you purchase liquid substance? How can you purchase?
Substitute, yes, of course.
Yes, because of
You have no answer.
polythene, you are able to purchase anything. And go to market and purchase anything.
So finally they have accepted actually, right? Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
So how can you carry? Go and bring milk.
liquid
Go and bring milk.
silicon. This is a use.
Liquid, but do you know if you go
This is a substitute heat resistance for carrying liquid form.
silicon is not available everywhere.
And silicone is very expensive, ma'am. You need to understand.
Bottle is so everywhere. What is the problem? Health is important.
So this was, batch B. We were discussing about polythene. All the things we have discussed today. Whatever you think, you can tell into the comment box. This was me, Cap, shining before all of you with cameraman Jhunnilal. Well talk.